be discussing about my lab 2 midterm laboratory, which is about username and password. So, as you can see, ang bago lang naman dito sa code ko is yung import len or import regular expression module. So, ang purpose lang naman nitong nitong regular expression module is for searching, matching, splitting, and substituting. Pero, in this case, since username and password naman yung dinidil natin dito, then I'll be using only for searching in order to find a specific pattern within a string. Kung kung wala kung wala siya kung hindi siya nagmatch sa mismong method na yun, or wala, sabihin nating meron tayong specific na hinahanap sa mismong string na yun, pero hindi siya nagma-match. So I explain ko later. So first I have a user input here, which is full name and username. Then also here meron tayong a looping meron tayong loop condition here. If the user types equals to lowercase user and also lowercase admin, then it will the while loop will stop and proceed to another while loop condition. Pero kung yung input na is not match here, which is lowercase user and lowercase admin, then maglo-loop ulit. Mag-enter na naman siya kung user or admin siya. Next naman, proceed naman tayo dito sa another condition, looping condition. Then so nag-declare ako ng password dito. So ang mangyayari dito is ang silbi naman nitong anim na condition na to is to check if the user created a bad password. While sa else naman, if walang nag-match dito na condition, then ayun, papasa yung mismong password na create niya. And start mo tayo sa len. If len password is less than 8, halimbawa 7, then magko-continue siya, pero at least alam na natin na yung password niya is less than 7 less than 8 pala. Then proceed tayo sa another condition. So ipiprint niya na rin pala na ay kasama rin to sa ipiprint later on, dahil sinabi na nga natin less than 8 yung password niya. So magdi-display yan later. Magdi-display din siya after checking the condition if in-input niyang password is less than 8. So next naman is ginamitan na natin siya ng regular expression. So ito, chine-check niya dito kung meron kang capital letters from A to Z. So sinesearch niya yung mismo naka-stored na variable dito kung meron siyang letters A to Z. So ayun, kinol rin natin yung mismong variable, which is password. Ayan. So if wala siyang capital or isang capital letter sa mismong password niya, then magdi-display to after checking the condition. Then proceed na naman tayo sa another condition. So paulit-ulit na naman siya mangyayari na mag-check sa bawat condition ito hanggang i-display niya lahat ng ito, or mag-display lang either 4 or 3 sa mga condition na ito. So ito naman, check lang naman dito yung kung lowercase sin-search. So ayan, may gumamit tayo ng search method dito, so on so forth. So next naman, 0 to 9, kung may nag-indicate siya sa password niya ng 0 to 9. And also, ayan, special characters as well, kung nag-indicate din siya, at least 1. So as you can see, puro 1 lang naman So, isang special case, isang numbers 1 to 9, isang lowercase na A to Z, and but the password should be greater than 8 para pumasa. Yan. So, uh, even though yung password niya is walang naka-indicate na ano, magta-type pa rin siya ng password niya dito. And ito, bali, itong salitay password, tatype niya dito kung ano yung password na in-indicate niya from password variable. So, kailangan mag-match yan. If password not equals to confirm, ayan, may condition ako dito. If password is not equal to confirm, then passwords do not match, then try again. Magko-continue yun. And also, and sa break naman, if ano naman, kung yung password niya is tama naman, then magbe-break siya. Kung nag-match itong password na in-input niya sa confirm. And ito na yung output. So, nag-display naman dito yung output. So, that's it for my username and password log 2 activity.